Are you still stuck on H-1B in 2025 waiting decades for a green card? That's a huge mistake because there's a faster path almost nobody talks about. It's called the EB1A Extraordinary Ability Visa. You can self-petition, skip employer sponsorship, and for many, avoid 10 plus years of backlog. In this video, you'll get a step-by-step EB1A checklist, why it's faster than EB2 or EB3, how to know if you qualify, the exact profile building strategy that works in 2025, and stick until the end. I'll share a bonus hack to save off months of your timeline. Quick question for you. Have you ever wondered why some EB1A cases get approved in less time, while others take years? Drop your guess in the comments, I'll confirm at the end. Why EB1A? EB1A is the fastest employment-based green card for top professionals in science, business, education, arts, or athletics. Here's why it beats EB2, EB3 for Indian applicants. No employer sponsorship needed, skip perm, shorter wait times compared to decades-long EB2, EB3 backlogs. If you're already on H-1B or even still in grad school, this could be your fastest ticket to a green card. Meeting USCIS criteria. So here's the deal. To qualify, you've got two options. Option A, you won a huge international award like Oscar, Nobel Prize, something on that level. Option B, you meet at least 3 out of 10 USCIS criteria. And these criteria are basically things like winning a big national or international award, being a member of an elite professional association, getting featured in major media, judging others' work, or making original contributions that really move your field forward, publishing research, taking on critical leadership roles, earning a high salary compared to peers, or achieving commercial success in the arts. And here's the pro tip. Don't just stop at 3. If you show evidence for 4 or 5, your chances of approval go way up. Building a winning EB1A profile. This isn't about being good at your job. It's about proving you're top of your field. The easiest way, niche down. Don't say I'm an electrical engineer. Say I'm an AI researcher for autonomous vehicles. Then build your case in 3 layers. Primary evidence. Major awards, patents, keynote invitations, published books or research. Secondary evidence. Recommendation letters, appreciation emails, endorsements from respected peers. Tertiary evidence. Proof of the award's prestige, media coverage, industry rankings. If you're early career, publish impactful papers, take on high-impact projects, present at conferences, aim for awards. If you're mid-senior level, focus on peer-reviewed publications, judging roles, elite memberships, critical leadership projects, and recognized awards. The goal is a documented case of sustained national or international claim. Proof you're among the top of your field. Timeline and petition process. Building a strong EB1A profile takes 6 to 24 months, but with the right support, you can avoid guesswork and move faster. Form I-140 standard takes 4 to 8 months. Premium processing takes 15 calendar days. If you're approved and your priority date is current, file Form I-485 for the green card. Already have a priority date for EB2 or EB3? You can reuse it to speed things up. Handling an RFE. Receiving an RFE simply means USCIS needs more information before deciding on your case. It's not an automatic denial. Stay calm, carefully read the notice, and make sure to respond before the deadline. If you miss the deadline, your petition may be denied. You can submit additional evidence as long as it supports the claims you made in your original petition. To avoid RFEs completely, create a strong and well-documented EB1A profile from the beginning. Make sure it clearly covers every required criterion and demonstrates why your work qualifies as extraordinary ability. Final take plus bonus hack. EB1A can look intimidating, but with a focused niche, documented evidence, and smart strategy, it's one of the fastest ways to US permanent residency. Bonus hack, use expert-reviewed evidence before you file small tweaks in the presentation, and it can double your approval odds. And if you're ready for support, check out our VIP plan for personalized strategy and guidance. Link in description. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Until next time, remember, build quality, niche down, and stay consistent.